Backtesting every day until profitable. Day 176. Gonna be continuing the backtest on Forex. So, and this is Euro USD, so. It's really slow. Okay. Yo, World of Anime, what's up, man? How are you, man? Where did I save this? Choppy inversions. Good as well, man. Love you putting in grinding. Thank you, man, honestly. You also trading? Your journey of trading? Damn. Couldn't actually take it off. I trade, bro, like 1 year, a few months in right now. Nice, man, nice. Also trading ICT concepts, or what are you trading? What strategy? Let me take like 80 because it will be break even. Or is that too much or too? Let's just do 80. What about you? How long have you been trading? I've been trading for 1.5 year now, a bit more. 1 year, like 7 months. But yeah, almost going to 2 years. Yo, Blenzo, what's up, man? How are you? Who do I prefer? Yeah, so far this year has been really good with backtesting, but I think if you are on futures, you haven't tested forex before, or you haven't, yeah, if you're on futures, you haven't touched forex before, then I think you should just stick with futures, because otherwise you have to, like switching from futures to forex, you have to worry about some, yeah, you have to worry about extra things that you wouldn't have to worry about futures. So, for example, yeah, I think the only example, but it's a huge one, like spreads. Like on futures, you have like 1 to 2 ticks difference as like spread then. But on forex, you have way more. And it's, yeah, I think it's better to trade on futures. But yeah, and if like I'm not profitable yet, so for me there's no reason also to switch to also add one thing extra. Like I'm just focusing on futures right now. If I'm really profitable, then I could add something to my trading, and then that could be forex. But for now, it's just for me. I'm not worrying about forex really, but I just wanted to test my strategy on forex, so that's why I'm doing that now. Yo, Tupac, what's up, man? Just came here to say hello because I'm sleeping right now. Respect, thank you, man. You also trading Tupac? So looking for shorts here. Oh, we have news. Yeah. Bro, I'm still not 100% with my strategy. I'm trying to come up with something, but I trade liquidity, supply and demand. For me, it's really good. Now I'm gonna be putting in the grind for data for, oh yeah, backtesting. Yeah, yeah, nice, man. Yeah, I think backtesting is probably one of the best things where you can get confidence with your strategy. Or is that a good sentence? Yeah, where you can get confidence with your strategy. Yeah. Yeah, you could also do that with forward testing, of course, but that's gonna take a way longer time. On backtesting, you could just see the results right away. Yeah, you do really have to pretend it's like live. Like, oh, I wouldn't have taken that setup there, and then like you really have to pretend it's just like normal live trading. And you could really do it like you could just you could go to the second chart and then play out price just like it's market open. And then yeah, good idea, man. Really to really see what your data is gonna be there. I trade, but 95% on backtesting and forward testing. Nice, man, nice. How long have you been trading now, Tupac? Backtesting completely, yeah. Backtesting is such a good thing. Like, I think it's actually crazy. I don't know if it is actually crazy, but they got like for NQ, yes, FX replay, they got like data back from 2012. And you could literally go on like a 1 second chart and see what the price action is there. Like, I think it's crazy. Maybe it's really easy for them, I don't know. But I think it's such a good tool for yeah, to get somewhat of like a learning experience in trading. Like you could do it with forward testing and all the other stuff as well, but only forward testing, only learning, and yeah, like backtesting as you can do it in like FX replay. Like it's so good. It's so good. So that low now got taken. Under, alright, but I don't know when I'm forward testing. The results are crazy, but when I try backtesting, not good. As live testing, well, if your results are really good in forward testing and not backtesting, then it wouldn't really matter, right? But yeah, still, I think it should. If you, that sounds kind of crazy actually. If your results are good in forward testing but not in backtesting, like it should also be good in backtesting. But maybe it's just year, the month where your results are not so good, and it could be in live trading, could be in backtesting. But yeah, that's where you can also gather data on. I don't know what you have backtested already, but maybe it's just a month. Who knows? Or yeah, 2 years, nice man. Also trading IST concepts, or what are you trading? What strategy? Oh, is it something different? Front testing. I thought he meant. Do you mean forward testing, Tupac, or front testing? I honestly don't know what front testing is. I don't know. Yeah, only no. I think you meant forward testing. Yeah. Still looking for shorts. SMT. Didn't close below. Now we did, but already closed above. So, or took out the high, so it's not an entry. So far, USD is moving so clean. Like honestly, it's crazy. It's really clean. 2 minutes. Took out this high above second stage distribution if we close below an entry. Perfectly respected. Now we close below. 11 in the right time. Oh, felt close above it, yeah. Break even. Target is way too low. It's gonna be 1 or 2 fixed then. Beautiful, wow. DP Naya hit though. Waiting. That's it, yeah. Wow, beautiful. Fixed TP, yeah. Bang. Beauty. Wow, back-to-back W's. Still bearish. Ooh, DXY already took out that high there. Oh, that was right there. Let's see, bullish for bearish. Still bearish. Still bearish. Oh. Forward testing is live data, yeah. So demo. Yeah, I don't know also why it's called forward testing. Forward testing is just demo trading. I don't know. I started a new strategy. It's called MSNR like 5-6 months ago. It's really good, but very advanced. If it works for you, then I also watch many courses and getting mentorship. Nice, yeah. If it works for you, it makes sense to you, then you should stick to it. Sounds good, man. Yo, yes, Tim, do you have a Spotify playlist this morning on Discord? Because many people say that there need to be down and more. Yeah. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna explain to you. I have the play. If you want it, I can send it to you. I don't know. All these songs are in the playlist, I think. This one should probably be in there. Where is it? All right. Yeah. So breaker structure. Basically, it's people look at it like you could look at it many ways. You have a change in state delivery, which also from IC concepts, but basically is looking from like what's logical, like a break in structure. So let's say a bearish structure becomes bullish structure. If you look at it from there, okay, what is then bearish structure? Let's say, or yeah, what is then bearish structure in this case? Making a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Break in structure, we make a higher high. So making a lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, which because you could also see it like this. Let's say this is a bullish trend. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This could be the higher low, higher high, higher low, or no, that's not true. But this is then the higher low or higher high because I think you could see it from here. So this would be your break-in structure because now it's from a now it's not making higher lows anymore. So this would then be a market structure break. If we close above it, if we fail to close above it, it would be a market structure shift. ICT says you could also look at that as like your not your break, but then your shift. It's not as strong, but still I don't think a break is really that strong either. Like it does have to have context. Yeah, I don't really think it's like it could be a wick on the 2 minute and it could be a break structure on the 1 minute, but that's besides the point. So if you want to look at this in market structure, so we want to look for this here, this closure above, this signature and price basically. So if you go on like a 5 minute, what's like a clean example. So here, in here, this could be your market structure shift or break. So let's say this is bearish, maybe on a 3 minutes better. 2 minutes. So this is then the high. You can see we're trending lower. We got a break in structure here also. This is then the lower low, lower high, lower low. And then you could also see this lower low, lower high, lower low. And then this is your break in structure above the swing high. Then we're breaking structure here and then the trend up. Like it isn't some secret pattern or something, like because it could also fail you. Like let's see if there is an example here. Like here we are in a bullish trend. We're making a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Oh, we did break structure here, but then again or yeah, we did close below here, so this is then now bearish. So let's say you're in, oh, the structure broke, so I'm gonna go short here in this gap here, and you get stopped out. Like it's not the secret sauce or anything, but just explain. And then here as well, like now we were bearish, broke structure to the downside here, and then now we're bullish again. But it's just this pattern here basically, and then closure below. That's yeah, and it could be it's because many people look at it basically different, because on other time frames it could not be a break, or yeah, like if I could zoom in, then probably in here, like people would see this maybe as, maybe that's not a good example, like yeah, like people would see here, this is a swing high, and then here, and then we close above here, and then right here, would this then be your market structure break? Technically I would say so, yes, but many people would say no, and then this would original be your market structure break, or yeah. But you have to look at it relative to like where are we moving in, because I think this still looks bullish. This is still making higher low, higher high, but then we also have a swing high here, and then that's just an internal break. It's, yeah, you could look at it complicated, but yeah, that's the explanation for it. So if you don't mind, I really suggest you to research that strategy. Maybe you would like it, but I see you stick on IC, which is not bad. Yeah, for me, it just, like I'm sticking to this now. I'm not changing anything. Like I had many, I tried many things, I think, like within IC then, but in IC concepts, but already from the start, it makes sense to me, the concepts. But yeah, now in IC concepts, I just found one strategy which I will be sticking to, because otherwise I'll be in a loophole, I think. Why would you consider that wick as a high? Can you refer that screenshot that I sent? Did you send it in journal? Oh, here. Like it has to be swing high, and I don't think it was here. Because it, yeah, would have to be a swing high then. But yeah, also this could also be on the lower time frame. It's also your market structure break, but yeah, technically, isn't, like if you go on a 30-second chart, this probably would be a swing high, and then would be your market structure break. Lower a bit. I mentioned you. This one. Yeah, this would be one. This would be a break structure. Why this wick as a high? Yeah, that's something like you could see as that high, but this is on the lower time frame. If you go to here, I don't know if you have it on like a, is this from today, yesterday? When is this? From when is this? Then I could go to a second chart and then show you. Yeah, but it's also relative to what time frame you are. Yeah, but yeah, it didn't move higher after, you mean? Like yeah, like what I said, like it isn't the secret really. Like it could just break, or but it doesn't mean it will go higher or it will go lower. Like that eventually it will, but it has to have the right context as well. But this exactly, this would be a market structure. This is also a shift or a break, yeah. But on the lower time frame, it would be more obvious. I can see from these candles, but on the lower time frame, it would be more obvious if I could show you. I don't know from when it was. Still looking for shorts here. Damn. What are we doing? Ooh, this would be an entry. Closure here. I know too much. I got it now, nice, yeah. And if you need another example, if you are not sure, then just send it again in Discord. Really, just send it again. Would love to help, or other people would love to help as well, man. Oh, it's not an entry. No, we didn't take equalize. Where are these perfect? Oh, these are, okay. Damn, it took it all out. Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, almost did. Is this gonna be a clean run as well? We'll see. No. Re-entry? It is a re-entry, no. No. Oh, and the 2 minute if we close below a year small gap. Which we didn't do, so that's just a loss. Plays the shield, thank you, Daniel. It's the hard bangers. Made this with a few. Made this with a couple friends. This is an old picture, but there are so many old good songs in here. As this play is called, these are hard bangers. Is it even? Oh yeah. Oh, these songs aren't even in there, or some of these, which is playing now. I think it's just continuing with, I don't know. Still good songs though. This is an entry, which is kind of crazy, but it is. Already one loss for the day. See if it is actually valid. It's actually a banger as well. I haven't heard this song in a while. Just a chill song. Oh, and if you want to play this, I could send it to you if you want. That would be first CP. See if this plays out. Break even. Damn. Not there, not yet there though. Bang. It's a bit too low to my liking. Retrace, okay, yeah, 75% off there. Beauty. Price action on Euro USD is really clean this year. Or this year, I don't know how the other years are, but this, wow, price action is just really clean. Do we want to go there though? Oh, we had news shit. We hit it 1 minute before news, or no? It'll be 1 minute right there. It's still TP though. Like it would be, what is it? Like right there. Moment before opens, I have to close. So there would be full TP. It's a bit more RR, but let's just leave it. I don't know what the song is. I'm just gonna play this one. Yeah, beauty. And then AM session trading only. Oh. What? Alright, what's the draw? You have to remember me when you're rich. I will, man. Of course. If I will, when I am rich, I will host an event for everyone in the Discord, and we'll do something fun on my cost. Do you still watch any learning content? Now you just backtest? No, only forward testing, backtesting, only trading. Not really watching any content which I'm learning from. Always trying to adapt. I'm always trying to refine my strategy as much as I can, but not as I used to anymore. Like watch videos. I mean, like before I was forward testing, backtesting, and then also watching ICT playlist, and then Justin Werline and learning a lot on YouTube. But now it's just only, okay, I know what I'm supposed to be trading, I know what I'm looking for, I know what I should be looking for, and yeah, that's just that now. I think it's pretty cool. Like I'm not there yet, but I think it's pretty cool of because I remember me being like still going into a day, and then I wasn't fully independent. Like I didn't know what to really look for going into the day. I was kind of like yeah, honestly not sure, like what did I need to look for. Like I honestly didn't really know. And then I watched like a stream, or I watched ICT say something for that day, and then I think I should be looking for bullish price. But now it's just all I can just all do by myself. I'm not there yet, but this is like where I should be when I am actually doing it. Yeah, when I actually am doing it. Sorry, pretty cool. Like that's something I just remember now. Like yeah, goes all pretty quick. Not there yet though, it's still. After a look at your live stream for 15 minutes, I think I understand the gist of it. So you're using divergent correlation, looking for turtle soup. ICT would say, also SMT and IVG, and take your entry, like a summary. I don't always need to have an SMT or a turtle soup for an entry. Like this it's one variation of it. I think I could simply show it here. Oh yeah. So my entry. Oh yeah. Wait, why did I delete that? I deleted something, which I shouldn't have deleted. Yeah, it's basically taking some sort of equal loads, having a bias, and then closure above a singular FEG. Time frame has to be same time frame as that we have the singular FEG. Actually, I have a few things has to happen, but You could read it here, taking out the equal lows. That's the inversion or singular gap. You could almost not even see it. Closure above with entry market execution. In this case, the 1-1 RR break even. And then another variation of it. It's not even on here. I should edit this. First, the variation. Oh, I should. Wow. Did that just get deleted or something? Oh, here you can see it again, the model. If you go break even. Oh yeah, I should. Oh, yeah, it's here. It's here. Which should also be there. And then yeah, there's another variation when we are above second stage distribution. I can look for a turtle soup, and that's just a failure to close below in the same time frame that we have the inversion on, or an SMT, and then I could, yeah, don't have to see equal lows, equal highs to get taken. It's funny how we use ICT as baseline and modify with our, yeah, I think just trading off ICT concepts is just so vague. Like learning only ICT concepts from him and then trading from there, I think that's really like, yeah, how he, yeah, I think there needs to be more. How he teaches it is just still pretty fake. You trade similar to Justin ICT's for our model. I'm not sure if you know him. Yeah, I learned a lot from him still, yeah. I don't know, yeah, I did watch his video, but it's not really the same. Could you show me quickly how to properly determine daily buys? Because I've watched many videos, but I think I still got it wrong. It's also like how I use it would probably be different towards like how you saw those videos. Maybe it is the same, I don't know, but probably is a bit different. But I think it's just yeah, I think you just need to have, like for me, it's always objective. So there always need to be some things which I'm always looking for. It's always the same. Like it's, I know what I need to do in every situation, and that's just the thing I like. But yeah, going from here, I start on the weekly, and I'm trading on a 1 to 5 minutes, so that's also important. But what's the weekly doing? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? And I look at change in state of delivery, so not a break in structure, but change in state of delivery. So here we got a change in state of delivery to the upside. So for that week, after this week, I'll be bearish. You can see then didn't work, but after here, then I'll be bearish again. But yeah, I don't have to be right on the entire week, and that's just on the weekly. Like that doesn't mean okay, bullish for the day. No, I zoom in, but leaning or having in the back of my mind, okay, the weekly is bearish. Okay, so bigger time frame, higher time frame for me is bearish. Okay, going into today here, what is this looking like? So going from a daily or weekly to a daily, what is this looking like? Okay, it's also looking bearish. And when is it bullish? Not a change in state of delivery, but only FEGs actually. So I need to look in this leg, and I need to look at singular FEGs. So I'm looking at all these time frames, and if we have in all of these legs one singular, just one gap, and that got closed above, both on here and here, then I would be bullish, and then this is bearish because this moves the opposite direction. Then I would be bullish in this case. So yeah, but we didn't do that. We're just in line with the higher time frame. So this is bearish. That looks good. Zooming in again, do you have anything in here? I do see from 9:30 opening, from that's where I trade. That's this vertical line here. What are we doing in here? I can see we have a SIBI here. I also look at singular gaps here. So 30 minute, nothing here, 1 hour, and we suddenly have one singular one. And I can see here actually that we closed above. Doesn't mean anything yet, because this now is saying, okay, it's bullish, but I'm using DXY as like, it should move in tandem, so it should do the same. And if this didn't close below, or yeah, below in this case, then I would still be bullish here, still bearish here. But yeah, it did. So here, also singular gap in this leg. And this one didn't close below. This one did close above on this candle. Here you can see this one closed above, but this one was still respecting it at the time. So I still look at this as a BISI, and I was still looking at this as a SIBI. This closed below, so now going into 9:30, I'm still bearish, but probably we're gonna go higher. But yeah, doesn't mean anything yet. Like I have to look for a short still, but we're probably just gonna push right away at 9:30 at there. And then once this gets taken, because this is just showing me, okay, if this gets inversed, then this is going to be, because this is the range then, this is going to be the first target, this is going to be the first target or final target of the range. So this is going to be the range low, and this is going to be the range high. And after this gets taken, bigger time frames again bearish. Okay, so that means this gets taken, I'm again bearish, then bigger time frame. So that's just for this day example. Like now maybe it sounds really easy or maybe not, but nowadays it's different. But still, on how I approach it, it's the same. I'm off. Take care of yourself. Keep helping those that need help like you, because you're doing. God will repay you later in life. Much love. Thank you so much, man. Honestly, really appreciate that, man. Have a good night, man, or a nice day. Can really live. Really, really appreciate it, man. Thank you. Hopefully see you again soon. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, now this already got taken. So now that range high is taken. This didn't get taken yet, but doesn't matter. We would have an SMT there. It would be only better for shorts. It is a 4-hour high here, so I have to wait at least for some sort of high to get taken on a 5 minute for me. So I'm just only looking at 5 minute and looking for shorts. You can see already market dropping lower, but still nothing for me. Look at that reaction. Beautiful. And then exactly as I said here, then the set SMT. And maybe on a bigger time frame you can see it. This high got taken here. This low is still left and didn't get taken there. So we've had SMT. We're dropping lower, but didn't take out any 5 minute lows, so still nothing for me. Still waiting. We still have to wait for a 5 minute high to get taken, which is right now. So right now I can be looking for shorts. I can just remove this inversion. And then what do we have here? I do think we're gonna go lower. We now have this SIBI, bigger time frame singular SIBI, so 5 minutes SIBI here, here, here. 50 minute we suddenly have a singular one in this swing high to swing low leg. And just remove this here. Same on DXY, busy here, here, here. And then singular one here. And then looking for my model inside of this leg here. Let's see. Tap the gap. Let's see if we get anything. Nothing here. Waiting. Is there something here? 2 minutes. Nothing yet. So already a nice reaction, but nothing for me yet. 2 minutes. 3 minutes. They close below. Didn't take any liquidity though, so still waiting. And this is now outside my kill zone, so I skip to the PM session. Which, am I even trading? I'm not trading the PM session because we have no news here. And then Friday I'm not trading because we don't have any news, so that would just be the week for me. See what the rest of this day did. So eventually you can see it did respect this really nice here. Eventually did went lower, but for me it was just no trading because we didn't have any news and I have rules on that. So, but yeah, it was a beautiful push lower after exactly what I said. Then actually SMT at the high. Then drop lower, singular gap, reaction lower. And yeah, but now, Friday, not trading this day. Not even going to do my analysis on there then. Monday, no news. Oh. Tuesday, CPI. And okay, it looks like good trading week. Friday's no trading though. Thursday, good trading day. We'll be trading this Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So let's see right now. What's the weekly doing? Reset. Remove drawings. Remove drawings. So weekly, I can already see. Okay, we still have a weekly trend, weekly bearish trend. So weekly would be bearish. If we are bearish on a weekly, what would be the first low that we hit on a weekly? That would be here, and then here. So that would be the low hanging fruit objectives. And then if this is already taken, then it wouldn't be actually here. And this already got taken here, so I'm not even going to mark it out. I'm looking at this smart make sell model. If we want to go lower, where lower to? We also have this swing low here, here, and then here for DXY, and here. And we also have a very small one here, but that already got taken, so I don't even look at that anymore. Doesn't mean that if I'm in a short, these are going to be my first targets. No, that's just like the objectives. Like maybe I should make this different color, but so far I haven't had any difficulties with this. go into the lower time frame. What do we have here? So we can see we have a small push here. Did we inverse anything in this leg here? Singular gaps. So I think we did actually. 30 minutes. Oh no, we didn't. This 1 hour chart is just doing weird. So this is where we are actually. Yeah, here. Wait, what? Oh no, 30-minute chart's doing weird. Okay, so this is where we are actually. What do we have in here? We did inverse this. What do we have here though? Nothing in this leg. Maybe a forest busy. So 2 hour, there's nothing here. We have a small one there. 4 hour. Okay, we did inverse this here. Okay, so it would be bullish here. Because we inverse this. So even though it looks like it probably wants to go lower bigger time frame, I have to look for longs. Doesn't mean that I'll have to look for longs the entire day. No, it could change, of course. Which probably, like bigger time frame, that's what I have in the back of my head. Oh, this is not in 29 minutes actually. Like with indices, it's the 10 a.m. candle for New York time. So normally 9:30 opening. In 29 minutes, this candle will close below, but now in 1.5 hours, so actually would have to wait a bit more. So I'll see. I don't know how this will play out, but I have to look for longs. I see that this got in first. So bear time frame is bearish, so technically I'll be going against the trend then, but I have to follow this. And hopefully this gets respected, and then that will be in 1 hour and 29 minutes. If we do want to go lower, let's say we take this low here, then of course this inversion is gonna close above again. So once this leg low gets taken, I can already look for shorts again. Not exactly once this gets taken on here, like we have to have it on here as well. And this low actually already got taken. So it's only this low here. So let's see, looking for longs. Just looking at this structure. I'm mostly just looking at this structure. Probably have something in here as well. Yeah. We have a single 50-minute gap here, which I won't even mark out. Like, it'll just bother me more. So I just know, okay, we're in a bigger time frame gap. What do we have here? Nothing here, waiting. Still looking for longs. Still waiting. We didn't close below it yet. No, still respecting it on the same time frame as we have the inversion on. So that'll be on the, what is it now, 2 hour. Still looking for longs. I think this was an entry. Oh no, we have an inversion there. No, which would have been a loss then. If we inverse that, that's an entry, which we didn't do. No gap there. So got one low there. So there's nothing here waiting. Wait, we did fail to close below though. Above second stage distribution. No. So waiting still. Nice push higher so far. Nothing yet though. Right here. Nothing here. Waiting. Push lower. Still bullish, I think. Yep. Oh. No, look. We now close below. So this is now reclaimed SIBI. So this would just be a huge retracement in this leg. Bear time frame is bearish, so that's immediately what I'll be going for. I mark out up no trade entry so I can see where they will really go, and then yeah, they're right there. And then here, from here it's still bearish, but again, bear time frame is bullish or bearish, so that's why I'm going for bearish price and not looking for this bearish, this bullish. So marking out the range in here, which is subjective. Like, what is really the range in here? Like, I would say this is more the range. You could also say, like, what's the range in here? I would say this range. But that's not really that important. So looking for shorts again, because we closed below this. This almost has my kill zone though, so let's see. Nice push lower. Just looking for my entry model again. This now is on my kill zone. Go to the PM session. Will I be trading PM? Yes. And yeah, that was just a really nice push lower eventually. After I reclaimed SIBI. We even use it as resistance to go lower, so we close below it here. Then wick this, and then here tap it once again, and then dropping all the way lower. Looks really clean. And then here, now you could see, like, this looks really bearish just looking from this. But because this is bearish, this should be bullish again, so ignoring what it's doing here, because bigger time frame is bullish. So really nice push higher there also. So this now this now got taken. Still very time frame bearish, so I'm trading towards here, and then still looking for shorts. For me, there should be no reason for the market to not be going lower. Like, I still think it's gonna go lower here. Similar gap here, 50 minutes. If we are bearish on the 50-minute, what is going to be the first high that we will hit then? That'll be here. This is the low-hanging fruit. The first high that is going to get hit on this time frame if we are bearish. So it's going to be an easy target. All right, let's see. Looking for, again, my entry model. Okay, trading away. I like this. Okay, we have taken highs here. If we inverse this gap, then it's an end. Oh, we did. We did already, though. Yeah. So this is my entry. Closure below. That's my stop. Break even is going to be at this low, which is, so not at the low, it's opening efficiency 1.33 R, so it'll be a 1-on-1 fixed here. Right there. The first EP is going to be a fixed 1 and 2. And then break even on DXY is going to be there. Let's see. Break even. What a drop. Let's see if I can actually take it off right there. 75% off there. That's first EP. On the right and the top, and then full TP. The first start is going to be like there's nothing on the left between, only what I had marked out on the bigger time frame, which is this weekly. That's the only target I have. But if it's outside of my RR range, which is for me a 1 to 8 final TP, like if it's inside of that, then it's still like realistic for me. But yeah, what is this? 1 to 32. Do I think it's going to go there? No. So what I do here is I take a fixed RR. It's going to be a fixed 3.5, which didn't get hit, but we'll see. Stops already at break even, took most of my position off here already, so it's good. We'll see. And the rest got stopped at break even, and eventually they run lower. Well, but still beautiful TP. Pretty unfortunate that we had such a deep retrace, but still, it's good. And that'll be a nice W trade. So that's how I look for my daily bias analysis, and yeah, nice example of it as well. Yeah, gonna end the session here and then gonna go to sleep. Did my 1 hour of backtesting today. I think I had crazy results. I think I'm on like I was on like a 4 winning streak. 4, yeah, I think it just changed. Winning rate is crazy high. If I could get this consistently in live markets, wow. Like, look at this. This is crazy. Yeah, if I could do this. But these are also the months which I don't expect anything crazy. Like, these should be the months that are pretty good most of the time. That also, but wow, look at that. Whoa, damn. Get a bit too excited there. Look at that. I've never really had that before. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I took a loss there. 1, 2, 3. Did I? Can't see it. Why did I take 2 trades there? Why did I take 2 there? Oh, maybe break even, yeah. So look at that. So it's a 3, 4, 5 winning streak. I don't know why it doesn't say 5 here, but wow, look at that. Yeah, gonna end the session here. I don't know if you're still here, Daniel, but hopefully you had some, maybe you can get some inspiration out of it. I don't know. But yeah, 3 people watching. Everyone, honestly, really appreciate that you were watching. Have a good night. Have a nice day. Yeah, see you guys. I'm seeing now I'm sitting in my chair and like I'm sitting pretty chill, but it's kind of crazy. Yeah, see you guys.